Hi, Tricia Andreessen here, Miss Unstoppable. Do you want to live a life unstoppable without stress and feeling stuck when you're right at the cusp of breaking through to something absolutely fantastic? Well, I can share with you, I have 5 key strategies so well integrated into my personal life that I want to share those 5 key strategies with you. And I tell you what, if you really want to live a life unstoppable and feel so good about your future and have a day full of hope and joy in your life, all you have to do is come to this workshop, learn the 5 key strategies to help you live a life unstoppable and achieve everyday goals and those big dreams along the way. Let me tell you, I am so absolutely beyond a shadow of a doubt confident that if you implement these 5 key things in your life, that you will see dramatic improvement, transformation, joy, peace like you've never, ever experienced. I am so confident that I will give you a full refund if you follow my steps and implement them with all of your heart. And after those workshops and those times, if you don't feel like you've gotten what you need out of it, I will give you a full refund. That's how confident I am that you can break through, get unstuck, and live a life unstoppable beyond your wildest dreams, because I've gone through it every single day, and I want to bring those strategies to your life. Take care.